Ever pondered about the effects of common salt, calcium chloride, and magnesium chloride on your Brooklyn property? Well, you're in for a surprise. Today, Foot Soldiers is unraveling the mysteries of these three substances. You might be thinking, what's the big deal with salt and chlorides? We know that Brooklyn sees its fair share of snow, and this topic hits home quite literally. So buckle up, Brooklynites. As we dig deeper, you'll discover that these everyday substances have quite an impact on your property. Salt, something so common yet capable of causing significant damage to your property. Now let's delve into the science behind this. Salt, or sodium chloride, accelerates rusting by acting as a catalyst, speeding up oxidation and leading to corrosion. But it doesn't stop there. Salt also wreaks havoc on concrete, asphalt, and brownstones as it absorbs moisture, causing the surface to expand and contract, leading to cracks and degradation over time. It's clear that salt, while helpful in melting ice, can be a property's silent destroyer. So, if salt is potentially harmful, what are your alternatives? Enter calcium and magnesium chloride. These two substances are the unsung heroes of ice melt. Unlike salt, they are less corrosive, causing less damage to your surface and metal structures. They also work at even colder temperatures, a bonus for those particularly chilly Brooklyn days. Plus, they are less harmful to the environment. So if you're looking for a safer alternative to salt, calcium and magnesium chloride may be your answer. Studies show that these chlorides are indeed gentler on your property compared to salt. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. Salt, while a common choice for melting snow, can wreak havoc on your property over time. On the flip side, calcium and magnesium chloride are kinder to your surfaces, extending the life of your surfaces, making them a smarter choice for homeowners and property managers. So, don't hire a company that uses the cheapest option to melt your snow, but use what protects your property best. You don't have to think about snow, hire the Foot Soldiers. We only use calcium and magnesium chloride, and we'll do the thinking, ice melting, and shoveling for you. If you like this video, share it with your neighbor or block association. Click subscribe for more Foot Soldier hacks and tips.